So now I want to decide on the course format. Now here's what I mean by this. So right now you'll notice that each of my learning sections right here is named Topic 1, Topic 2, Topic 3, and Topic 4. So this course is currently in the topic format. The other format that's really common is by week, the weekly format. So how you would do that, or how you would change between the two, is you would go up here and click on the sprockets way in the upper left-hand corner, go to Edit Course Settings, and then I'm just going to scroll down here to Course Format, and this is where I would change it from Topics to Weekly. Now watch what happens when I change it to Weekly. It's first off, it's going to say, well, I'm going to ignore this right now. I'm going to go down here, click Save and Return, and there it is. So there is my course. And if I want to add weeks, I just go up to Turn Edit On, and I go way down here, and I can add a week, and I can click Add 1 week, or I can add 2 more. I can add 3 weeks together, and now I have 8 weeks all together. All right, so that's the weekly format. I'm going to tell you, I generally don't use the weekly format because you'll notice it lists an entire week right here, and oftentimes our ending course ends on July 20th. Let's say it's an 8-week course that begins on Wednesday, June 1st, and it ends on July 20th, which is 8 weeks. Well, the way these weeks are laid out, it's kind of weird. Either course ends on that first day of the week, or back here, you technically, your course could start on the last day of that very first week. It's really kind of funky. So I generally do not use the weekly format at all. I always use the topic format. So again, how do I change? I'm going to go to the sprocket, Edit Course Settings, and I'm going to scroll down to Course Format, and I'm going to change it from weekly to topics. And then I'm going to click Save and Return, and now I still have those 8 sections, but instead of listed by week, they are now listed by topic. Now you'll notice the little pencils right here, and if you don't see a pencil next to the word topic, that's because your editing is not turned on. So all you have to do is go up here, click that little Turn Editing On button, and you will now see a pencil showing up all over the place. And I can name these topics. I like this because this gives me control. I'm going to label this one I'm going to label this first one Week 0, Getting Started. This is just kind of where I'm going to ultimately put things like my syllabus and my contact information, stuff like that. So there's my Week 0, Getting Started. And now I'm going to name each of these Week 1, and I'm going to put topic TBD because I haven't decided yet, because I'm just kind of designing my course, and I'm going to just speed this along and fill these in. Now you'll notice, because I started with a Week 0, and this is an 8-week course that I'm trying to create here, I need to add one more topic. So I'm going to go down here, click Add Topic, and I'm going to add only one more section. I'm going to click Add Topic, and then I'm going to name it. And there we go. Now I have my topics. Now what's really kind of cool is, as I'm creating this course, if I want to change the order of these topics, I can do that. I can just change Week 1 and Week 2, and all of a sudden they're now in a different order. All the topics, or all the activities that were originally in Week 1 are still with Week 1. I've just swapped the entire sections, those learning sections. And of course, then I would need to rename each of these back to something, oopsies, that makes sense, Week 1, and change this to week, there. Now we have our weeks in proper order. So as you change them, change the order, you will need to change the names accordingly. All right. And that is how you start the process of choosing what kind of format. I'm going to recommend topic format. And then all you have to do is create the number of topics, and we're going to fill in these titles later.